Assalamualaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear student, today we are going to do very interesting exercise on page number 46. Choose the correct describing word and fill in the blanks. So students, आइए blanks को fill करते हैं with describing words. Cleaning, tall, shiny, thick, cute, red, black, fat and old. कुछ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स हमें दिए गए हैं जिनको यूज करते हुए हमने इन ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर में देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, डैश शूज. शूज कलर इज ब्लैक, सो वी यूज ब्लैक शूज. A dash building. Building is tall, so we use a tall building. A dash apple. Apple is red, so we use red describing word, a red apple. A dash log. Log is thick, so we use describing word thick, a thick log. Next one is trophy, and trophy is shiny, so we use word shiny. A dash trophy, a shiny trophy. This shirt color is red, so a dash dress, red, a red dress. A dash baby. Baby is cute, so we use describing word cute. A dash man. He's very fat man. He's very fat, so we use word describing word fat. A fat man. And dash man. आप देख रहे हैं पिक्चर में एक बूढ़ा आदमी दिखाई दे रहा है, so we use describing word old, an old man.